Dear friends, welcome to YouTube channel and our channel Dr. Vet. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Veterinary Medicine. Today we will see the important disease brucellosis part 1. In that we will cover synonyms, introduction, etiology, epidemiology and its various parts, prevalence, source of infection, transmission, host affected, and pathogenesis. Friends, the brucellosis is named by many other names. Banks disease, that is from the name of the scientist Bank. Mediterranean fever. Such similar symptoms are observed on the countries on the line of Mediterranean Sea, surrounded by that sea. Undulant fever. Here, the temperature in human beings is very chronic and temperature is frequently up and down for a long time. So fever is remaining undulant. And Malta fever, that is named from a island. Dear friends, brucellosis is a very important zoonotic disease and spreading very fast, but is silent spreading. This disease causes a significant reproductive losses in cattle through it causes abortions, placentitis, inflammation of the placenta, epididymitis, and orchitis in the infected animal. Brucellosis is caused frequently by Brucella abortus, that is the main cause, less frequently by Brucella melitensis, and occasionally or rarely by Brucella shoes. Etiological features. Brucella is a gram-negative, non-motile, facultative intracellular. When we have talked about tuberculosis, in that we told that the tuberculosis are also intracellular. So this intracellular, their mechanism that protects the organism. They are cocobacillary, short, raw shape organism. They are strict anaerobes and grow very slowly on blood agar. Brucella are some some species are host specific. Brucella abortus causes brucellosis in cattle, buffalo, and human being. Most common cause. Brucella melitensis, Brucella bovis in sheep and goats, Brucella suis in pigs, Brucella canis in dogs, Brucella abortus, melitensis, suis, and canis causes brucellosis in man. And some species of Brucella has been used in a biological warfare, just like anthrax. Here we will see various epidemiological parameters, prevalence of infection. The disease has a worldwide distribution in all countries. In India, it is endemic. The sources of infections are secretions and excretions from the infected animal, such as urine, feces, hygroma fluid, saliva, nasal, and ocular discharge. After the first full term abortion, cattle become a asymptomatic chronic carrier and continue to shed the organism in milk and uterine discharge. The dogs may or may not show clinical signs but shed the organism in later stage of pregnancies. Remember important thing in ruminants, the udder colonize the organism after parturition and uterus also colonize during pregnancy. Transmission, the disease is transmitted by ingestion, inhalation, direct contact, skin injury, and conjunctival route. So, dear veterinarian, please take care while handling the case. The organism spread by direct contact. So, when you handle any case of retention of placenta, be careful. Skin injury, there should not be injury on your hand, otherwise, veterinarian may get the infection. And while handling the retention of placenta cases, wear the sunglasses or zero number glasses because the disease also transmitted by conjunctival route. So while handling such gynecological cases of abortion, retention of placenta, stillbirth, dystocia and other things, we have to take utmost care. The animal shed the organism through bull semen for a long period, but venereal spread is uncommon because the organisms are non-motile. We are depositing semen, artificial semen, in the mid cervix. So these organisms we are putting directly into the uterus. So there are all the chances of spread through artificial insemination. But in the natural cervix, the semen is deposited into the vagina. So only sperm enters into the uterus by motility. The organism will not enter into the uterus. So natural cervix will not spread the disease, but artificial insemination spread the disease. Host affected: cattle, bison, buffaloes, sheep, goats, pigs, dogs, horses, camels, marine mammals, almost all animals are affected. Sheep and goat act as a reservoir for Brucella melitensis, and deer act as a maintenance host for Brucella ovis. Wildlife reservoirs are feral pigs, bison, egg, and maintain the organism that complicates the eradication process because it is very difficult to control the brucellosis in wildlife animals. Pathogenesis of brucellosis: following entry of the bacteria Brucella The bacteria are swallowed by the neutrophils, monocytes, and macrophages. Within the phagocytic cells, they proliferate intracellularly and get localized in regional lymph nodes, just like tuberculosis. Brucella primarily localized in the organs rich in a sugar named erythritol. So when erythritol is there, this brucella localized. The erythritol rich organs are breast, uterus, epididymis, and testes. So in these organs, the brucella localize. Dear friends, I have told you in the tuberculosis, when the organism phagos, when the organism is phagocytosed by the phagocytic cells, they form a they form a phagosome, a vesicle around this organism inside the cell. And these vesicle combine together, that is called as phagolysosome, and they kill the organism. But three organisms I told you, tuberculosis, brucellosis organism, and Listeria monocytosis. These organisms will not allow the formation of phagosome. They don't allow formation of or fusion of phagolysosome. This is how they multiply and they survive very nicely intracellularly. Within the phagolysosome, Brucella abortus releases a chemical called guanosine and adenine, which inhibit the system of bacteria killing. The intracellular persistence of Brucella leads to a granuloma formation in various organs and tissue. That is due to hypersensitivity reaction and mostly type 4 hypersensitivity reaction. The organism is distributed from the storehouse lymph node to lymphoreticular organs such as spleen, bone marrow, liver, and testes, and where they develop again a granulomas or microabscesses, and which results in abortion in the third term pregnancy. So, abortion in the third term pregnancy is characteristic of a disease. Friends, requested to share to our fellow veterinarians, subscribe, and thank you very much for observing this video. In short, we'll come with Brucella part 2. Thanks.